Yes, it is a very nice car. This is a 2008, it's hard to believe, V12 with only 30,000 miles that Peter is picking up to take home. And he's trading SL600 that he purchased from us about 13 years ago. Hi, Peter.
Hey, Dimitri.
How are you today?
I'm very excited to drive this new car.
It is an awesome automobile.
It's very nice.
So how was your purchasing experience from AlphaCars 13 years later?
I've been here before.
I know.
But the car I'm trading has been 13 years with me. But I bought another one, a couple more cars from you, but it's been amazing. You know, really love it. The quality is there, the service is outstanding, and I can't wait to drive this new one.
I know. There are a lot of people that would love to drive something with 12 cylinders. This one also has twin turbos on top of the 12. So please enjoy your car. Thank you for your business.
Thank you, Dimitri, and look forward to enjoying it, and still looking for nice cars, as always.
Always, yes.
Thank you.
It took us only a year to find this one for you.
Very nice find. Thank you.